Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification Gmail account. Right, so if you get this reason, then the problem is on the phone number, because you cannot use a phone number so many times, right? Either you can make 2 to 4 accounts just by using a single number. If you're facing this issue, then you can solve it by changing a phone number, or basically you can use a different number to make an account, right? Because Google support around 2 to 4 email addresses you can make on a single number, not you just can't create so many, right? So if you found this information, of course you can just go and click on add another account, go to Google here, and after that you can enter your email address and password. And this is the only reason. Another solution here, you can just turn off your Wi-Fi and just try to use your mobile connection, or basically turn on your flight mode and turn off it again. So there could be also a reason your IP address. So if you just turn off your internet or flight mode, right, it may help you to solve the issue. So there are very few solutions which I provided you in this video. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.